Okay, we're going to take a little bit of minutes here to wrap up this lesson. Our objective for today was that the students would be able to apply known definitions, so definitions that you have working for equivalent vectors and vectors of or addition of vectors, right? By examining sketches, you looked at some sketches and you drew some conclusions about their vectors and their geometry. So this was the work that we did today. We're going to look at that when we come back on Tuesday, make sure we've got it all right. And let me kind of do a little bit of wrap up to get you ready for the homework for tonight. Okay, so there is no formative assessment for this lesson, so you're off the hook there. The last thing that you're doing is the summary video, which is under this tab here that you're currently watching. If you go back to the main page and you pop out the assignment sheet for today, you can see down here on the right hand side is a look at what we did today. At the top there is all the classwork, so you can kind of double check to make sure you got it all. Watching the gathering video, watching the introduction of vectors part 2 video with the notes, the 2 handouts, those hang on to them. We're going to look at them during Tuesday's class. So that's the equivalent vectors handout and the vector addition handout. And now the summary video, which you're watching right now. And for homework, this is a little like math appreciation thing. I pulled up a video from the Open Courseware, which is always something to look at MIT. They've done a fantastic job with this. So you can look at the courseware video there. It's part of the recitation for their multivariate calculus class, which is like all MIT and stuff. But they work a problem that you pretty much should be able to understand and make sense of, given what they're talking about here. But they do a little bit with the medians of a triangle. And so this just is like little math appreciation. You don't have to do anything with it other than just sit back and watch it. Try to understand as much as you can of it. Gives you a peek at what like a collegiate math class might be doing with some of the material that we're looking for in this class. So that's your homework. I hope you have a good long weekend, and I will see you on Tuesday. All right, so there you go.